We'll guide you through how to connect Overleaf with VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial today, make sure you already have VS Code installed on your computer. After that, go ahead and carefully open your VS Code application. Navigate directly to the left sidebar and firmly click on the extensions icon, which looks like 4 detached squares. Next, type Overleaf Workshop securely into the search bar at the top of the panel. Find the correct extension in the search results and confidently click the blue Install button to add it to your workspace. Once the installation is completely finished, look at your left sidebar again to find the newly added Overleaf Workshop icon and simply click it. Look at the top section of the Overleaf panel and actively click on the Login button, which is represented by a small door icon. A prompt will immediately appear at the top center of your screen asking for your specific login method. Carefully choose the Login with Cookies option from the list. A text input box will appear waiting for your required cookie data. For now, safely leave VS Code open, switch to your preferred web browser, and manually navigate to the official Overleaf login page. Before you enter your email and password, safely open your browser's developer tools by explicitly pressing the F12 key on your keyboard. Inside the Developer Tools panel, successfully click on the Network tab to start monitoring your web traffic. With the Network panel open and actively recording, proceed to log in to your Overleaf account normally. Once your Overleaf dashboard fully loads, look at the list of captured network requests in the Developer Tools panel. Scroll through the list or use the filter box to search for a request specifically named project and click on it. In the request details that appear on the right side, make sure you are on the Headers tab and scroll down until you see the cookie field. Carefully highlight and copy that entire cookie value string to your clipboard. Switch back to your VS Code window and paste the copied cookie value directly into the waiting input box at the top of the screen. Press Enter to submit the cookie, and you will immediately see your Overleaf project successfully load inside the VS Code panel, completely ready for you to actively edit.